Hello guys, welcome to my channel Genetic Coding. In today's video we will discuss various concepts of container like how to set height and width and how to set the decoration, how we can set the decoration type like foreground decoration and background. So first of all we will make our screen which will represent a demo container. So here we will implement our container, like first of all override a widget column. So we will make our first container. Here first of all we have to be set the height and width of our container. Here is our height 300 and width also we make 300. Now we have made our widgets height and width according to 300 and 300. What we know that container is not visible widget because it is used to arrange children widget and also decorate its own widget also. If we want to decorate this widget and want to visible, then we have to be apply the color or we have to be insert some child inside this. Now we do not want to insert any type of child inside this widget. What we want to visible this widget on the screen. So how we can do that? First of all you need to set the height and width. It is compulsory. Till that only you can able to visible this container on the screen. That's why we are applying here color property. Here is we will make the background of this container in the red color. So colors dot red. Now you can see on the screen our sharp corner container is ready to visible. Okay, now we have applied a color to the container. What I want to apply some type of gradient, border and border radius. So how you can achieve that? So when we hover on the container, we will find different kind of properties here. So concentrate on property which is called decoration. Here we have applied color property. Now we will apply decoration. Here we will apply box decoration. Now we will apply here colors dot red. Now you will notice a error here. You can read here container dot failed SSN line 273, color equal to null or decoration equal to null, cannot provide both a color and a decoration. This error want to say us that you cannot apply a color property and a decoration property simultaneously to the container. You will be able to apply one of them at a time. Hope you understand what I want to say to you here. Now we want to move forward, so we will comment out this color property which is outside of our decoration. Now we are applying our decoration property and we will apply here box decoration, and our box decoration also contain various type of properties here, like it is contain another property like it will box decoration give us various capability, like we can provide color here, apply image, border radius, and I also apply box shadow, gradient, background blend mode and shape. So we will implement these properties one by one. So first of all we will go to the border radius. So now we will rerun again. Now we will apply our border radius. So border dot, here we have a different type of property, like we have circular, only, horizontal, vertical, and all. Circular means it apply the border radius like a circle, like it give us a fixed radius. And why fixed radius? It apply the circular roundness to the our corners. So we will apply here first of all circular. So we will apply here 12. It will apply a roundness of 12, which is in the form of circle, like that. You can notice here we have applied some roundness. Now these corners are not sharp anymore. Now we have applied the corner radius. What we want, also apply the border around it. How we can achieve that? We can achieve it by applying another property which is called our border. Here we will assign here border dot all. Here we call the property color. Here we are applying color for the border of container, not applying this color for the decoration of the container. Okay, now we are applying a colors dot black. Here it is. Now you can notice here we have got some type of border around our container. You can set the width of this border by the using of width, like that. By default value is 1.0. You can see that. Now we will apply here 2.0 property. Now you can, we will come at the border radius again. Here I will explain you how many type you can apply the border radius. Like border radius, border radius dot. Now we will apply horizontal. In horizontal, if we apply right, it means radius dot circular. When we apply right side, it will round only right side corners. In horizontal, it work as a horizontal corners, like these corners here, applied on the right side. Now if you want to apply left, then it will apply here circular 40. This kind of application of border radius is applicable when we want apply border radius for the horizontal corners simultaneously. Like we want to apply the corner radius from the right side for top and bottom, and from the left side from for top and bottom. Then we can use horizontal parameter for applying the border radius. We can achieve it for the vertical direction also. So how you can do that? Why border radius dot vertical. Now for the vertical, there is no any kind of right and left, because when we are talking about the vertical direction, then is only top and bottom. And if we are discuss with horizontal direction, then there is only right and left. So here we have on top and bottom. Now you will notice in top we will got 10 radius, then it is top level corner is on the rounded corner sides, and at the bottom it is quite more, it is applying quite more roundness to the corners. Hope you understand. It is the way where we can achieve. Sometimes we have situation that we want to apply corner radius only on one corner of container. So what type of method we will use to achieve this target? For this purpose, first of all, override border radius. After that, border radius dot override our method only. Here Flutter give us more control for applying the border radius on the various corners of the container. So how you can apply that? So you can see here, it will give us a parameters: top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right. Top left means top left corner. This is top left corner, top right corner, bottom right corner, and bottom left corner. Now I will apply the radius on the bottom right corner. It is bottom right corner, and I will apply only 5, so that it will radius dot circular. It will apply some little corner radius around it. So you can notice it has some little bit roundness at the corner. Now until yet we have applied the circular, I mean we have applied the radius circular. Now we will apply elliptical. In elliptical mode, how we can apply? So I will apply bottom left corner. So radius dot elliptical. Here we will define x direction radius. So we will apply 100, and we apply y direction radius. It is 100. Now you can see we have some kind of different type of border radius is available. Now we will apply 70 for x radius and 100 for y radius. Now it is, you can see there is elliptical path is making around the corners. Okay, here is how you can apply border radius around your containers corner. Sometimes we have arises some kind of situation. In that situation we want to apply multiple colors, what want to apply a fixed type of pattern between them, and that pattern in Flutter is called gradient. So how we can apply gradient now? So for applying gradient, we have a property gradient, and we have a multiple type of properties available for applying the gradient. Here I am applying linear gradient. Here I am applying colors dot red and applying colors dot green. Now you can see we have applied the gradient on our container. You can apply the mode of gradient, like from which direction which color will start or which colors will be end. For this purpose we have property begin and end, like how the beginning of colors will start and how the ending of the colors will be end. So from beginning our color will be alignment dot top right. I mean color will start from the top right corner and dot bottom right. Now our colors will start from the top right corner and end to the bottom right corner, like that. Our color is starting from the top right corner, you can see, and end from the bottom right corner. If you apply here bottom left, now color is ending at the bottom left corner, like that. We can apply another properties also. Okay, it is the basic, and now you can apply linear gradient on container. Now we'll come to the next property of box decoration. Like we want to apply now shadow. Like this container is some kind of our button or kind of some widget in which we want a shadow effect. So how you can, here we have property in box shadow, sorry, box shadow, and take a list of arguments. So here we will apply box shadow. We will apply colors dot black for our shadow, and apply blur radius, meaning how much area will cover for this shadow. So we will apply 12. Now you can see our shadow is applying around our container. We can spread radius also apply, so that our shadow will spread after radius end, like that it is spreading. You can apply here with values. We will apply alpha like this. Here it is. Now it is quite similar to like a shadow. You can apply offset also. Offset means from where our shadow will start. Offset will dealing in the x and y direction, and our x and y is starting from the top left corner. On the top left corner, x0 and y0 is considered. So here we will apply offset. Here x value will be given 20 and y value also given at 20. Now we apply like that. Our shadow is quite bottom side. Here it is. Hope you understand how we can apply the shadow also. Now box decoration gives another property which is called image. We can also apply image to the container. How we can? Decoration image is another aspect. Here we can apply any type of image, whether it is from the assets or it is belong to the some network image. Here we apply an assets image because we have already integrated our image to the assets folder. So if you do not have any type of image in your assets, you can watch my image.assets video. I will give the link in my description. From there you can learn how we can apply images from the assets network and pick from the library. So here I am applying my images, which these images are already added by me in my project my image.jpg. Hope you got that. Now here it is. We have applied the gradient on the container and also apply image on that container. Here it is. Okay. Now if you want to apply only foreground decoration, like we apply at the background also, now we want to apply foreground decoration. So how you will achieve that? So implement foreground decoration. After that, override box decoration, apply colors dot red, and apply the border radius. The same parameter we applied on the decoration, we can apply on the foreground decoration also. What remember, it is quite reasoning. Like you will use either decoration or foreground decoration at a one time. So for decoration we have applied these. We will apply decoration, foreground decoration simultaneously, so that we will able to differentiate which is our foreground and which is our background. So here we will apply border radius dot circular. Here we apply 250. Now we apply the colors here. Now you can see this is our foreground. Our image is not visible because image is placed at the background level, and now we are dealing on the foreground. So we have applied foreground in our container. Same properties is apply on that also. We can apply the border and gradient and box shadow and many more properties to this, and also apply the decoration also. So we will apply same our gradient and border radius, and no, we will apply here border and border radius in the foreground decoration. We have already applied the border radius. we will apply our border. Now it is applying. You can apply the shadow effect for these also, like box shadow. We will apply the same box shadow. This is, here it is. Now that, here it is, like this. Shadow is applying for the foreground also. These were the our main properties for our container. Mainly when we decorate our container, we mainly apply border radius, gradient, shadow effect, and border around the container. Now hope you understand. We do not add any child. Now you can add child here, like you can any type of child here, like column, children, and text. First, text, third. Now that is, please do not prefer to apply foreground decoration, because our decoration is will fulfill our target, like that. Now if you want to change the angle of this container, like I want to change like a way of visibility of this container, so we can apply another property which is called transform, and we will apply matrix 4 dot rotate, like identify. When we want to apply multiple, then we apply identify and rotate x. Here we will apply 0.3. We will apply the value in radian. Here you can, our container is rotate some kind from the x side. Now we can rotate from y side, 0.3, like that. Angle is changing. If you apply z axis, rotate z, here it is. Now now our container will be visible with some type of weird, like this. Our container angle is changed now. Here it is. You can change our container's direction, like that. In today's video, till yet, if you got any type of knowledge from this video, please subscribe my channel, share my video with your friends, and support me. I will continuously coming with new exciting knowledge and videos for you in the future.